As a homeowner in Ferndale, maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your home is a top priority. One area that often gets overlooked until it becomes a problem is your windows and doors. These critical components don't just contribute to your home's aesthetic, they also play a vital role in energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. Knowing when to replace them can save you money, improve your quality of life, and even increase your property's value. Here are some of the most common signs that it's time to consider replacing your windows and doors in Ferndale. Drafts and temperature fluctuation. If you feel cold air seeping through your closed windows or doors during the winter, or hot air during the summer, it's a clear indication that they are no longer sealing properly. Drafts cause your HVAC system to work overtime, increasing your energy bills. This is especially significant in Ferndale, where seasonal changes can be extreme. Replacing old, drafty windows and doors with modern, energy-efficient models can significantly lower your heating and cooling costs. Visible damage and decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood, rusted hinges, or warped frames are all red flags. These structural problems compromise not just the look of your home, but also its security and insulation. Wooden frames are especially susceptible to rot in Ferndale's humid climate, while older metal doors may show signs of corrosion. If your doors or window frames are soft to the touch or crumbling, replacement is likely your best option. Difficulty opening or closing windows and doors should open and close with ease. If yours stick, jam, or require excessive force, it could be due to warping, shifting of the home's foundation, or swollen frames from moisture. These issues can also affect your home's safety, especially in an emergency where a stuck window could block a potential escape route. High energy bills. Have your heating or cooling costs crept up over the last few years? Older windows and doors, particularly single-pane glass, are poor insulators. In Ferndale, where winters can be harsh and summers warm, inefficient windows and doors force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Upgrading to double or triple pane glass and insulated doors can dramatically reduce your monthly energy spend. Condensation or fog between panes. Moisture buildup inside double or triple pane windows usually indicates a failure in the window seal. When the insulating gas leaks out, the window loses its energy efficiency. In Ferndale's climate, these failed seals can result in excess indoor humidity and further damage. Once this occurs, window replacement is typically the only remedy. Excessive outside noise. A well-sealed window or door should act as a barrier against outside noise. If you're hearing more street traffic, loud neighbors, or construction than you used to, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern windows and doors are designed to significantly reduce sound infiltration, providing a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Outdated appearance. While functionality is key, aesthetics also matter. If your windows or doors look outdated, faded, or just don't match your home's current style, replacing them can enhance curb appeal. In a close-knit and visually conscious community like Ferndale, updated windows and doors can even add to your property's resale value. Final thoughts. Windows and doors don't last forever. On average, well-maintained windows may last 15 to 20 years, while quality exterior doors can last up to 30 years. However, climate conditions, material type, and usage all play a role in wear and tear. If you're noticing any of the signs listed above, it's a good time to consult with a local professional about upgrading your windows and doors. In Ferndale, where weather, community standards, and energy costs all come into play, proactive replacement can offer comfort, savings, and long-term peace of mind. Don't wait for small issues to become major repairs. Listen to what your home is telling you.